Yesterday, I was browsing my Facebook and nakita ko yung isang post about sa pinag-usapan ni Vice Ganda at Bella Padilla. Lalagay ko to dito, yung kanilang pinag-usapan. Sabi doon, yung feeling na breakdown saglit, tapos balik ulit sa pagiging strong soldier. And ang hirap maging strong. It's hard to become strong person. Why? Because you need to choose short-term sadness and put again your brave face and continue to fight again despite the setbacks. Kudos, no? And nabanggit din ni Vice Ganda yung about sa family. When you are the strong sa family or sa inyong grupo, they always think of you of that. No, lagi nilang iisipin na malakas yan, strong yan, kaya niya yan. Na parang hindi mo na kayang ipakita na you are weak. At napag-usapan din nila na kailangan din yung meron kang tao na mapag-share. No, you can share your feelings and na pwedeng makinig sa iyo. Napakaganda nun, no, napakaganda. And then they also mentioned about the problems, yung mga problema na dumarating sa buhay ng tao, na parang kakambal na ito ng tao. Yes, tama po ito. But I would like to add, no, siguro isa sa mga addition na napakaganda rin na maging point natin doon is, pwede tayong mag-share sa Diyos. We always include God doon sa ating buhay. Kahit nagaano tayo ka-strong, darating sa point sa buhay natin na makakaramdam tayo ng pagod, makakaramdam tayo ng kalungkutan, makakaramdam tayo ng weakness, manghihina tayo. And on those moments, yun yung time na kinakailangan natin na meron tayong Diyos. Because when we have God in our life, we can tell God everything. No, kahit na ano pa yan, always tell God everything. Kasi kapag sinabi natin yan sa iba, pwedeng hindi sila maniwala. Uy, kaya mo yan kasi malakas ka. No? Others might judge us. Sasabihin, ay nagpapanggap lang pala. Or others might tell it to other people. Pero when you tell God everything, God will not judge you. God will not tell it to anybody. But God will help you go through it. Kaya nga, napakahalaga na we share everything that we have inside in our hearts, in our life, to God. Because in this life, in our journey in this life, God is also journeying with us. Kahit na may mga problema, ito yung mga pagsubok. Sometimes iniisip natin, mahal ba talaga tayo ng Diyos? Bakit ang dami-daming problema? Bakit ang dami-daming pagsubok sa buhay? These challenges, these problems and difficulties that we are undergoing are just part of being human. No? Pagdadaanan talaga natin ng mga pagsubok na ito para tayo ay tumatag. Kapag napagtagumpayan natin yung mga pagsubok, may mga darating pa uling pagsubok to test us. Kaya nga kailangan na palagi tayong nag-share sa Diyos. Kapag yung lungkot ka na, yung gustong-gusto mo nang umiyak, yung pasuko ka na, kasi hindi mo na kayang maging strong, you can always come to God. You can always run to God and He will embrace you. He will accept you no matter what happened. Hindi natin kailangan na palagi ipakita na strong tayo. Sometimes we also need to show that we are also human, that we are also weak, na meron tayong kahinaan. Because it is in our weakness that we are strong. Sabi nga, when we have God in our life, we are strong. So, yun lang. This is my 2 cents dun sa kanilang pinag-usapan. Napakaganda ng topic nila, kaya saludo ako doon. And gusto ko lang idagdag yun na yung point na may tao tayong pwedeng mag-share and ito yung Diyos. Kaya wag natin kakalimutan, surrender everything to God. Lahat ng mga nararamdaman mo sa buhay, you can share it to God. Because He will always be there for you. Sabi nga niya, I will be with you until the end of time. Bye-bye!